Respected conference chair, chief guest, all the distinguished guests, faculties, colleagues, students, everyone who is presented here, a very warm good morning and welcome to the 6th Global International Conference. Let me begin with personal observations that I believe will embody the spirit of this conference. Last year, when I was delivering the conference speech, I took a guidance from ChatGPT. The idea was to reinforce my ideas, opinions, by using that tool. It saved my time. Word selection was perfect. It was effective. Bottom line, it was perfect. I mean, I could never have imagined to be doing that level of accuracy by myself. But later on, after a couple of days, when I watched the video and listened my own speech, I felt something was missing in that speech. There was a real lack of essence in that speech. And I believe that was the emotion. We, as the Globalians, this conference that we conduct every year, it's a big thing for us. It challenges us, it tests our ability, it excites us. Basically, it's a combination of everything. Dedications, hard work, anxiety, nervous, sleepless nights, celebrations, everything. And in my speech last year, I could not feel that inner strings of my heart that the day and night of the works that we did not address through that speech. So what I observed and what I realized was, no matter what, the machine-generated perfection can never meet the authenticity of human emotions. I mean, that's my perceptions, that's my perspective. That could be wrong, that could be right, and that's the purpose of this conference, where we would like to hear different perspectives, different perceptions, and the interpretations of the artificial intelligence. Just last week, I was at the workshop in the University of Alicante, Spain. And I was shocked to know that the water consumption is more than 1 million liters just because of using AI tools and technologies in that small province, Alicante, which has only 350,000 populations. And here we are talking about the broader goals of sustainability by 2030. And I wonder how that aligns with the sustainability issues that we are currently facing. I don't like to sound too negative, too critical on that, but this is the reality. There are obviously so many advantages of having AI with us. We don't have even a choice. We have to embrace it. But the thing is, there are different sorts of repercussions or different sorts of arcing effects that might have in the days to come. And that's the purpose of this conference, to know, to learn, to explore those perspectives that AI can bring to our society. Being in the education field for almost 2 decades now, I mean, we all are quite well aware how AI has impacted the entire ecosystem of education. It had challenged our teaching pedagogies, assessment practices, attendance management, and whatnot. People have now started asking questions. Will university be still relevant 5 years or 10 years down the line? people have started doubting the roles of university in the future. So this is the time that we need to be critically thinking and using or putting our collective efforts, collective thoughts and actions, how to adapt to this rapid evolutions without losing the spirit of the education. How our learners will adapt not only to survive, but to thrive in this changing environment set by artificial intelligence technologies. And these very questions set the foundations of this conference for the next 2 days. After these inaugural sessions, we'll have keynote sessions followed by panel discussions, and tomorrow we have panel discussions hovering around the periphery of AI and its narratives. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all the people, including the sponsors, who supported and who made this conference possible. I hope all the participants will be actively engaging these 2 days, and we will get to learn new perspectives from everyone who is attending. And thank you so much once again. Thank you.